As you can see, he's walking over there. I mean, he's not walking. He's using his scooter. I'll zoom. This is called Reservoir Woods Trail and Dale Street Trail Extension. I don't know how many miles. You can go down the tunnel to there and then back. That's him inside this little tunnel. See a couple of people walking here.
And April 1st was its renewal date.
A couple of other people here. So that's 4 already. I see walking down here. Now must are listening to music. What's that? Yeah. And this has a hill, that doesn't.
See, that's why. I don't want to go up, and I want to go down.
And he's over there. He's gonna come through right here. Be careful. My fingers are freezing here because I took the gloves off.
Okay, that's 9, 10, 11, 12.
See,
That's 12.
you see mop.
12.
Hey. Now this Dale Street here.